HONOR Choice Projector Air Pro and AI Projector Pro 2026 Complete Guide. Specs, features, and analysis. The portable smart projector market is becoming one of the fastest growing categories in consumer tech, and HONOR is now positioning itself aggressively with two compact home entertainment devices: the HONOR Choice Projector Air Pro, the newer HONOR Choice AI Projector Pro. Both projectors are designed around portability, smart automation, and easy streaming access. Instead of competing directly with ultra-premium home cinema brands like Epson or Sony, HONOR is targeting users who want quick setup portable movie experiences. Smart streaming, bedroom projection, dorm room entertainment, casual gaming, travel-friendly big screen viewing. The newer AI Projector Pro improves brightness, processing hardware, and intelligent setup tools, while the Air Pro focuses more heavily on affordability and ultralight mobility. HONOR Choice Projector Air Pro. Air Pro is HONOR's lightweight, all-in-one entertainment projector aimed at users who want a portable streaming device without requiring external TV sticks or complicated setup. Unlike many budget projectors that rely on unofficial Android builds, the Air Pro ships with native Netflix support, YouTube Prime Video, wireless casting, automatic screen adaptation that makes it significantly more convenient than many low-cost projectors from lesser-known brands. Design and build quality. One of the most impressive aspects of the Air Pro is its portability. Physical dimensions. Feature specification: weight 0.55 kilograms, thickness 55, 2000 dimensions 195/55, 210 millimeters. HONOR compares its weight to a water bottle and its thickness to a paperback book. That positioning makes sense because the projector is clearly built for travel, outdoor movie nights, dorm rooms, bedrooms, camping, small apartments. The integrated 180-degree rotating stand is another standout feature. Instead of placing books underneath the projector to adjust angles, users can simply tilt the projector upward toward walls, ceilings, elevated surfaces. This is especially useful for bedroom ceiling projection. Display and image quality. Native 108p resolution. The projector features native 1920x1080 Full HD resolution LCD display technology, LED light source, 2.69-inch LCD imaging chip. This is important because many cheap projectors advertise 108p support, while actually using lower native resolutions like 720p. HONOR confirms true native 108p output. Brightness. The Air Pro is rated at 292 ANSI lumens. That brightness level places it firmly in the portable projector category rather than premium home theater territory. Real-world expectations. The projector should perform well in dark rooms during nighttime viewing and bedrooms for casual indoor use. However, it is unlikely to deliver strong results in bright daylight. In sunlit living rooms and outdoor daytime conditions, for best image quality, users will want controlled lighting. Contrast and HDR. Contrast ratio 2500 to 1 HDR support. HDR10+ helps improve highlight, detail, color, depth, shadow rendering. While HDR on compact projectors cannot fully match old EVS, it still improves streaming quality from services like Netflix and Prime Video. HONOR also mentions a 3-piece low light loss lens, improved light transmission, better image purity. Smart features. HONOR heavily emphasizes automation. AI-based screen adaptation. The Air Pro includes autofocus, auto keystone correction, auto obstacle avoidance, auto screen fit. These features reduce the manual work usually associated with projectors. Obstacle avoidance. The projector can detect picture frames, switchboards, shelves, decorations, and resize the image automatically to avoid them. Auto keystone. If the projector is placed off-center, it automatically reshapes the image into a rectangle. This is extremely useful for casual users who move the projector frequently. Audio performance. The Air Pro includes single 5W speaker, integrated cooling system, noise levels under 32 decibels. The cooling system appears optimized for quiet operation, which is important because many portable projectors become distracting during movies. While the built-in speaker should work fine for YouTube casual viewing, small rooms, users wanting cinematic sound will still benefit from Bluetooth speakers, soundbars, external audio systems, connectivity and streaming. Port availability. HDMI, yes. USB, yes. 3.5mm audio jack yes, AV input yes, wireless features Wi-Fi 6. 2.4 GHz plus 5 GHz support wireless casting Bluetooth. This allows streaming directly from Android phones, iPhones, tablets, laptops. The inclusion of official Netflix support is a major advantage because many budget projectors rely on unofficial workarounds that often break after updates. HONOR AI Projector Pro 2026. The newer AI Projector Pro expands on the Air Pro concept with more processing power, smarter AI functions, higher brightness, claims larger storage, better overall usability. HONOR appears to be targeting users who want a more premium smart projector experience without entering the high-end laser projector market. AI Projector Pro specifications. Feature specification: resolution 1920 x 1080, brightness 750 nits, claimed contrast ratio 2500 to 1, throw ratio 1.2 to 1, processor HiSilicon V352, RAM 2 GB, storage 32 GB, speaker 5W, operating system Android 9, connectivity HDMI 2.0, USB, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth. Major improvements over Air Pro 1. Faster hardware. The AI Projector Pro upgrades from 1 GB ROM gives 2 GB a RAM, 8 GB storage gives 32 GB storage. This matters for faster app loading, better multitasking, smoother streaming, improved UI responsiveness. 2. Android 9.0. Unlike the Linux-based Air Pro, the AI Projector Pro uses Android 9. Advantages include better app ecosystem, more flexible software support, improved customization, better compatibility. HONOR also reportedly removes startup ads entirely, which is uncommon in budget smart projectors. 3. Enhanced AI features. HONOR promotes intelligent obstacle avoidance, curtain adaptation, near-field voice control, automatic focus, 4-way keystone correction. This suggests more advanced environmental awareness than the Air Pro gaming performance. Neither projector is marketed as a competitive gaming display, but they can still work well for Nintendo Switch, casual PlayStation gaming, Xbox gaming, party games, retro gaming. However, there are some limitations. No mention of high refresh rates, no MEMC motion smoothing, unknown input latency, no HDMI 2.1 gaming features. Serious esports gamers should still prefer gaming monitors, high refresh TVs. But for casual couch gaming, both projectors appear perfectly usable. Who should buy these projectors? Air Pro is best for students, travelers, bedroom movie lovers, portable entertainment. Budget-conscious users, casual streamers. AI Projector Pro is better for heavier streaming users, families, users wanting smoother software. People who move the projector frequently. Smart home enthusiasts. Biggest strengths. HONOR's advantages: excellent portability, easy automatic setup, built-in Netflix clean minimalist design, ceiling projection support, Wi-Fi 6 connectivity, quiet operation, affordable pricing. Potential weaknesses: areas where competitors may still win, brightness still limited versus premium projectors, single 5 West speaker, no optical zoom, no Ethernet, no 4K native resolution, no advanced gaming features, no Dolby Vision, mention unknown long-term software support. Expected price and availability. AI Projector Pro. Expected launch pricing: 1,410 yuan, around $207 USD. Available colors: titanium gray, starlight white. Launch date: May 5, 2026 in China. Final verdict: the HONOR Choice Projector Air Pro is one of the more polished, ultra-portable projectors currently entering the affordable smart entertainment market. Its biggest strengths are simplicity, mobility, integrated streaming, smart automation. The newer AI Projector Pro pushes the concept further with better hardware, smarter AI, improved usability, more capable software. Neither projector replaces a true premium home theater setup, but that is not HONOR's goal. Instead, these devices are designed around convenience and accessibility. For users wanting a bedroom cinema, portable streaming, quick setup, casual gaming, travel entertainment, the HONOR projector lineup looks surprisingly competitive for 2026.